guys. What time is it, hon? 4:30. Oh, hon, be careful driving, huh?
Yeah.
Bye. Talk to you later, huh?
Yeah.
Hello guys, Tommy just got home. It is 1 o'clock now already. And somebody's here. Hi. Hey.
4:30.
Huh?
From 4:30 to
Go
ahead. Crazy.
Oh my god. From 4:30 this morning to 1 o'clock the next day in the morning. It is crazy. Pagod yan. You have to go to bed, hon. Okay? What's in here, honey? Cigarette. Inom lang rin ako ng tubig. Good morning, guys. Oh, 1 o'clock. Oh. Ay, ngayon lang siya nakauwi. My baby.
Okay. I lie down for an hour.
Love you.
Love you too.
Close your eyes, okay?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. I'm going to shut this off. Okay, you've been smoking. You don't have to go outside, please. Bangon na naman ako, guys. Kasi aalis na naman si Tami. Good morning, guys. Nagbibihis na si Tami kasi aalis na naman siya. Nakarating siya dito kanina, mga 1 o'clock. Ngayon, 6 o'clock na aalis na naman siya. So, pakainin ko lang itong mga alaga ko dahil umiiyak na ang ginaw na, guys. Grabe. Sobrang ginaw na. Naalala ko tuloy noong nag-dumpster dive kami last year ni Brenda. Last year, kami ni Brenda dalawa nag-dumpster dive. And, ano ba yun eh? Nakakatawa kasi, ang ginaw, kahit sobrang ginaw, dive pa rin kami. Kami naman ni Tami, kahit may snow, nag-dive pa rin kami, kahit may snow. And then, kami ni Tami, mga 3 to 5 kami mag-dive ni Tami. So, sobra talagang ginaw. Sobrang aga. Naalala ko tuloy. Kasi ngayon, sobra talagang ginaw. Anyway. So, pakainin ko na itong mga alaga ko. Tingnan nyo yan. Why you're so handsome? He's tired, eh? You're tired. Look at this cat, so hungry.
Yeah, they're just starving to death. They never get fed, these poor cats.
Why you decided to bring your 2 laptops?
Because Stevie's gonna be there.
I thought he's not gonna be there.
No, he is there today. I told you that's why, because he's going in blind with these machines. That's why he asked for them to schedule me on with him.
Nako. What is this machine? Is this the new one that you don't know this machine, right? So you end up knowing this?
Yes.
Serious? With no training?
Right. That was funny because the other day I was there with
That one doesn't work.
Well, he wants to. So, I told him this one's really slow. The other day with a guy working there, and
Hey, don't squeeze your own laptop.
yeah, the guy didn't know how to do something,
Yeah.
and his boss happened to be there too.
And
You
then
know, I'm sitting there showing him how to do it. His boss says, "Oh, nice that I sent you for that training course and spent a lot of money for a training course."
you say that to him?
Yeah.
Serious. Food time. Is that the sandwich you got?
Yeah.
You eat it? You don't buy extra? Serious?
It's a hot sandwich.
You should. I ask you what do you want and then you don't say anything.
I said I got it covered. Whatever I want is already in there.
So, magpaano daw siya ng coffee, guys. Gusto niya may coffee to go. Diba? I'm going to bring down the espresso machine again. The one that you got. You drive careful, huh? I thought you were stuck the traffic.
This one you're supposed to do a cappuccino too, but
I like those machines.
this one does. This comes out
Yeah, I know.
and does a cappuccino. But for this froth milk, same way. I forget how it comes out.
Yeah.
Again.
Drive careful, huh?
Yeah.
I love you. Come on.
Love you too.
Alright, just careful driving, okay?
And I talk to you later.
Yeah. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. My baby always say yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'll close this door.
Alright.
His best friend, guys. Hairbrush. Drive careful. I'll talk to you later. Please let me know when you get there. Bye. 8 o'clock ngayon lang ako kakain. Nakalimutan ko na namang magluto ng rice. So, mag-bread tayo. Mag-bread. Konting bread lang kasi alam nyo na, kapag maraming bread, mas tataba tayong lalo. But anyway guys, dito lang muna tayo kasi so, ngayong araw is sobrang ginaw. Tapusin ko yung kasi I think mag-snow konti baka bukas, ganun, kasi dahil sobrang ginaw na yun. And kain lang ako, and dito lang tayo. Salamat guys sa time ninyo. Thank you. And yun. Hello guys, nagluto po ako ng chicken pero hindi ko na napakita. Nandun sa ibang vlog yung marination ko. Ang pag-marinate ko pala dito, nilagyan ko siya ng lemongrass, tuyo, oyster sauce, vinegar at saka lemon. And para siyang siya style inasal kind of chicken, and dapat sa grill po ito niluluto, pero niluluto ko po siya dito sa actually oven first for 30 minutes, and after that dito naman siya sa ating how do you call this, air fryer guys. So yun ready tayo, kakain lang ako guys. Ang sarap nito. So ito yung kakainin natin para siyang inasal. Ito yung luto natin na chicken. Para siyang inasal talaga siya guys. Pero sa oven. And then nilagay ko sa air fryer pagkatapos to make sure na lutong-luto talaga siya. And then yun. Crunchy yung skin. And meron tayo ditong suka at saka rice. Kain po tayo guys ng dinner. Kasi late na. It's already 8 o'clock na ng gabi. And ngayon lang ako natapos kasi late akong nagluto. Kain po tayo. Ito yung chicken natin. Tikman natin without meron siyang nilagyan ko siya ng lemongrass. Masarap siya guys. Minarinate ko siya for actually 5 hours. 5 hours yung marination ko. Uy, ang init. Meron tayong suka with sili. Sarap. Hindi nga ako nagluto ng gulay ba? Bumili ako ng gulay kanina. And then hindi ko niluto. Kain lang tayo guys ay. Late na oil. 8 o'clock na talaga. Late na ako nakapagluto dahil andito yung kapatid ni Tami. Nag-drop siya ng sulat. Ng sulat ba? Hala, oy, ang init man ito, oy. Nag-drop siya ng sulat na from condo. Yung condo ni Tami sa Florida. Sa kanya nagpunta. So, kaya. Alam nyo guys, mas prepare ko yung grill. Kung ganito siyang luto, mas prepare ko siya sa ano, sa charcoal. Masarap man siya, pero kakaiba talaga yung charcoal. Yung lasa niya ba. Meron akong naririnig. Hindi yung TV. Anyway. Dahil meron po akong naririnig guys, habang kumakain ako, iniisip ko baka may tao sa labas. Kaya nga, parang takot na ako dito habang kumakain. Masarap, manghang. Yung ating ano, yung ating suka. Hindi ako kumakain ng skin ng manok. Ang soft. Thank you so much for watching. Sarap. Dito lang tayo guys, i-in ko na guys kasi guys